Hello, today we are going to learn as inner joins, outer joins, and unions in the database, and we are using database as PSQL, that is the PostgreSQL. So we will learn how these keywords work on the database and how to fetch and how to implement query with the help of these keywords, and what is the purpose and what is the uses of these keywords. So now let's share my screen and you will be able to see. So just 1 minute. Okay, so this is our database DVD rental, as you know before, and these are the table: actor, address, category, city, country. So these are the tables, and this is our database. So DVD rental. Okay. So now we will learn, we will learn as inner join, outer join, and union. So these keywords, we will use these keywords and fetch the data accordingly. Okay. So now first we will fetch the data from any table. So for the fetching we use select, and then name of column. If we are going to generalize, then we can put the star, and from from which table, like suppose customer. So we can fetch the data of the customer table. So this is the customer table data, and this is the column: customer ID, store ID, first name, last name, and so on. So suppose we will so we want to fetch only first name, but now this time we will change the column name. Then how it will possible? So now let's see how it can be. So first name, first first name, and we are able to fetch the first name from the customer table. So Jared, Mary, these are the names. And if we just only put here as, suppose, first name, there are no underscore. So now what happened? We can see the column name changed. Here you can see the column name change means if we are using as means alias, we can change any column name, any thing's name as we will give. Suppose here we will give first name, then it will be first name without any underscore. And if we give normally uh, just table, sorry, column name, then it will be reflect in the column name. Okay, so as keyword used for giving the alias name. Okay, so this is the use of as. There are also many uses of the as, but here it is the simple use of as. So now we will go to the inner join. What is inner join? Inner join means suppose we have a two table. Table one has their just primary key. Table 2 has foreign key as of first table primary key means like. So we can perform this operation between two tables by giving this type of structure, that is a first table must have a primary key and second table must have a foreign key which is reference to first table. So we can join two table and we will fetch the data. So suppose we have a payment. There are many tables. So select star from payment. This has customer ID, payment. We can also see what is the relation between customer ID to others. So we go to customer, go to constraints, customer address ID, foreign key, customer address ID, primary key. Okay, and go to the payment. It's the customer. Where is payment? Yes, this is the payment and constraints. Okay, so custom payment customer ID. Customer ID is the foreign key of the customer. Okay, got it. Foreign ID. And in the customer there is a primary key. Yes, there is a customer ID is the primary key. So we can join both table, customer and payment. So what will we fetch after joining both table? How to fetch? So here just select select. Okay, cus- customer ID, comma, amount, amount, comma, there is an first name, comma. just from from payment from payment inner join inner join customer customer on payment dot customer id equals to customer dot customer id. So we can see this is the wrong, this is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Suppose we want to fetch everything. Yes, now we are able to fetch everything from the table to table and applying join. So this is the condition: payment customer id equals to customer dot customer id. So customer id and payment dot customer id. Okay, means same. So we will here we are able to join, and we can also check only star payment id only. So this is the payment id, and customer, let's check customer dot first name. Yes, we are also able to fetch the first name customer from the customer table, and payment id and first name means Peter, payment id 17,503, and other there are lots of payment done by the Peter and Harold. So we are able to join two tables. This is the inner joins. So outer join nothing but it is a join which has three types, like left outer join, full outer join, and right outer join. So what will be happen here if we just change inner to the left? Then what we can see left join means all the value from the left table included which is also in the right table, but the value which is in the left or and not in the right, then that value should be null. So this is the main things in the left join, and in the right join the opposite of the left join means all the value for which is available in the right table is considered if the value also present means same id also present in the left table. If not, then the value at that place will be null. So this is the left join. And what is the full join? Full join means just it takes two table and joins together. It doesn't matter what it is. It has just common value or not, means duplicate value or not, then it join together. So this is the outer, full outer join. So we can perform in the, we can put in the place of left, we can put just right. So this is the right operation, and we can see total number of 1000, and in the left, how many there, total 1000 in both are same. Okay, and what is a full join? Total 1000 means there are 1000 value total. So this is the full joins, and we can fetch the value from this. What is union? Union stand for, suppose we have two type of rows, collection of rows, and the value in the first collection is somewhat value is same to other collection of the rows value. So the common, means common value of the rows will be only put in a single time, and all the duplicates value not put together. So we can take an example, like suppose we have a query, just customer select first name from customer union select actor. Okay. So this is the name, this is the name, the total name 647. Okay, so suppose we have a single query like this, and how many it has row name, it has 599, and how many this one, it has 200, means first 599 and second 200, and overall the query which is union means total is 647, means some names are just common and removed by the union. So rows add added, but the common rows were eliminated, were just avoided. So this is the use of union. If we put here union all, then what should be happen? You can see 599 plus 200 equals to 799, means it gives the all rows value, either it is common or not. So this is the union all. Thank you, and thank you so much. This is our whole tutorial.